This video is going to show you a little trick to help prevent the items that are on your Jamboard frame from moving around. For example, here is a lesson where it asks the students to use a highlighter tool to mark the sentences that show when somebody's speaking. So, the student would go over here and grab the highlighter, pick a color, and, start highlighting. Let's say they accidentally clicked the selector and then moved the object. They can move it back, which is totally fine, but to help prevent that, here's a trick. So what you would do before you share this Jamboard with your students, you would add a big text box over the frame, just like this. So you'd click on the text box, create a text box, and then you're going to take the text box and try to make it as big as the frame is. So you'll click and drag the corners. Now you can see that the text box is only filling like half of this. So what you would do is you can try to make this text box as big as possible. I'm just going to push it all the way to the top left and grab the bottom right corner and make it big again. I'm going to do this motion or movement until I can get this text box to totally cover the frame. So I'm going to drag the right, I'm going to push this all the way to the top left, drag it out again. So now let's see if it's big enough. If it's big enough, I'm not going to see those blue lines that create the text box. I could still kind of see it. Oh, actually, no, I can. So this is good enough. So now let's say I've shared this with my students to work on. They don't know that that text box is there. They would just go grab the highlighter, pick their color, and highlight over the sentences. If they accidentally try to move something, they can't really move the items around very much. So hopefully this helps make the items on the frame stay in place. Until Jamboard comes up with a solution where you can make these become more of a background, this could be a good solution for you. Hope it helps.